Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin on an active call. That matters because call audio controls only work while connected. First, make sure the call is routed to the speaker or earpiece you prefer, not a paired headset. Then press the physical volume up button firmly and hold for a second to step through levels. Once done, glance at the on-screen indicator to confirm the bar increased. If you use Bluetooth, make sure device volume is high too so both phone and headset match. Once basic volume is raised, tweak in call settings to improve perceived loudness and clarity. Open the phone app settings while on the call or immediately after. Enable HD voice or disable noise suppression to let more high frequencies through. If your phone offers an equalizer or accessibility volume boost, increase mid and high bands slightly to bring voices forward. Make sure any hearing aid compatibility mode is set correctly. If controls lag, to finish, verify volume by playing a quick voice message or asking the caller to speak normally. This confirms real-world loudness. If sound is still low, toggle Bluetooth off to force the phone speaker, then reboot the device to clear audio service glitches. Make sure system and carrier settings are up to date, because software bugs can limit call gain. If problems persist, try a different network or call from another phone to isolate hardware versus network causes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.